Hello and welcome to Perfect Pixel. I'm Ali John and I'm here to give you essential training of Adobe Illustrator 2018. Use the grid and make a building logos. Let's see. Select a pen tool and draw a lines. Our logo is done. Increase the stroke. Select icon and going to object and expand this. Write your logo text here. Change the font. Increase the text size. Change font Nexa bold to Bebas font. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Subscribe our channel to stay connected for more and more.